Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to access wp-config.php file using cPanel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel page. So you can add your username and password and then click on login button. Now we are in cPanel and we are going to access WordPress wp-config.php file for our website. And then you see file section and then you see file manager. So open it. So file manager open and then you see multiple folder. So we have a lot of websites. Mostly our website exists in public HTML folder. So click on it and then you see WordPress files, wp content folder, include folder, scroll down. Now you find out wp-config.php file. So this is our file in cPanel. So right click on it and then you see multiple options. So click on edit. So now wp-config.php file is open. So you can add or modify content according to your requirement and then click on save changes. So in this way you can access wp-config.php file using cPanel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.